So I'm in the kitchen, right? And I've got this burrito and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna stuff this thing. I'm gonna make it huge. It's gonna rule. Because burritos are supposed to be big. That's the whole point. Big burrito, big power. So I start putting stuff in it like a lot. Beans, cheese, more beans, more cheese. Stuff I don't even remember grabbing. And the burrito's getting all fat and lumpy and I'm like, yeah, this is cool and I keep stuffing it because it's not full yet. It can take it, it better take it. But then the burrito starts cracking. Like this tiny little rip. And I'm like, hey, N.O., don't do that. But it keeps doing it. Like it's being a dumbass on purpose. So I push everything down with my hands like, get in there. Stay in there. And the burrito's all squishy and weird. But I don't care. I'm winning. Then I try. And the burrito just blows up. Like blog. Beans shoot out the side. Cheese flies everywhere. Stuff is blasting out like it's trying to escape my face. And I'm standing there yelling, damn it. You're supposed to be a burrito. You're supposed to work. Now there's burrito guts all over the counter, all over my hands, all over everything, and I'm mad. I'm really mad. I'm looking at this busted burrito like, you suck. You totally suck. And the burrito's just lying there like it thinks it's funny. So yeah, I tried to stuff my burrito and it exploded. But I still ate it because I'm awesome.